That was an edit.
Yep.
Keep your speed way down, it'll do what you need to do. It's a little bit wavy, but I can't get it. It's hard to make something flat with a sharp edge. See how much flatter this is compared to that one?
Yeah.
So this puts big gouges, this will make them more flatter. But you got to work what you got to work with. Overall, it's pretty good shape in there.
Yeah. Make quick work of that.
Yeah, not quite. It did take an hour at least. Yeah. Can't be afraid to dig in.
Yeah, that's right. Sure, experience be your guide.
There, I can see it now. Look at that sharp edge that's in there. The problem is, you can't cut that sharp edge out because there's no seat there. Feel it from this side.
Oh, wow.
Comes in there at 9 degrees, you can't cut that.
Seriously short.
If you cut that, you've destroyed the airflow. So all you can do is cut right at the bottom there. Right here a little bit. And even that's dangerous as hell. A little bit goes a long ways. That's all it took to smooth that up. See, I didn't cut much, but what I cut mattered. It's nice and smooth through here now. Had lips in there and sharp edges. Can't do nothing about this sharp edge here. You got to leave it. It'll kill the airflow if you cut that out of there. A few little high spots in there. So this knocks off the high spots real quick. Didn't take much.
Oh, yeah.
Over here. See if there's anything else I can screw up from this side.
Uh-oh.
That far. Likes to make arc shows too and do that. All the oil out there helps see the port better. Alright, now what do you want to do to screw this up some more? Come in with a dull cutter. Nothing sharp to hit. That's all you can do. Now why does 30s lights don't hold up better? Probably weren't made to do this.
No. Don't pay to bend that much. Need to pinch it a little bit.
Yeah, bend it all over the place. The problem is I've already unprinted it. Okay, now over here. See the light in there, you can see it? So I'm going to try to smooth it out. I'm not worried about that side of the port, I'm worried about this side of the port.
Oh, it's just, okay.
You have to look at what I'm working on. I'm working on this right here. Right here. When you look at the whole port, it doesn't help. Actually, the part I'm going to work on is right here. That sharp edge, that's what I'm going to work on.
Okay.
I'm going to blunt it. I blunted it.
That was quick.
I told you, don't cut it.
Alright.
Basically, I rounded it like the fin. Didn't radius it, just rounded it. Remember, this cutter don't do splot.
That's right.
That's the lower transition area you worked on with the other cutter. What do I do on that one? See, I did a whole hell of a lot, but it actually, when you run your fingers through it, did a lot.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth.
Get the sharp edges off, a couple of titties were sticking up. Gone. That quick. It's not how much you cut off, it's where you cut it off that matters. That'll flow a lot better than it did before. So.
Oh, definitely, yeah. That's way better.
Alright, clean this up.